Rugby's a tough game. You can see if someone's taking shortcuts or if they're dying for your jersey. Nowhere to hide out there.
The Crusaders are a team that are really hugely important to Christchurch. Every time they go out there, they're playing for the people.
We are the most successful professional rugby club in the world. It's about engaging with our global audience through our ecosystem every week.
Fans here, they love their rugby, so they're deeply connected to the playing group.
We're really focused on the fans and delivering the best event we can. The single most important thing for us is data. The better we manage data, the more ability we've got to be able to turn everyday consumers into rugby fans. So we collect data at various points in and around the game, which allows us to improve our customer service. Infor CRM for us is essentially the engine of our data management systems. Because it's on the cloud, it's a shared solution, so other staff can access that information as they need to.
In this city now, most people are on the cloud because if your building gets destroyed in an earthquake, you've got instant capability linked to the cloud. For us, it's not about a nice to have. We've learnt that it is a must have and it guarantees us business continuity that's just so critical. As a sports franchise, we've been able to do some things alongside Infor that it is highly likely we would not have done if we did not have a partner who understood our needs, because it helps future-proof our organisation.